All right, let's dive into a really powerful way to think about knowledge.
What if learning isn't about adding more stuff? What if it's something else entirely?
Okay, so to get this, let's start with a really simple idea, a car's defogger.
So its job isn't to actually change the road ahead of you. It just removes the fog that's blocking your view. That's it.
And here's the cool parallel.
A defogger removes condensation, right? Well, knowledge removes uncertainty.
You know, your mind has its own internal fog that kind of clouds how you see things. And what's this fog made of? Well, things like our assumptions, biases, and just gaps in what we know.
So gaining knowledge isn't adding. It's the act of defogging the mind.
This defogging gets rid of the gray areas. It sharpens your view and reveals what's really there.
But let's be honest, is this how we usually think about learning? Probably not.
Most of us think learning is just about adding more and more information, just piling it on.
But here's the thing. At an expert level, that's not the whole story. Expert learning is really about removing what's unclear, irrelevant, or just wrong. It's subtraction.
And this brings us right back to the car. A defogger doesn't add visibility, it restores it.
And guess what? Knowledge works the exact same way. It reveals what's there.
So the new mindset is pretty simple. Defog your thinking.
It's about making that journey from a mental fog to real, sharp focus.
Because really, that's the end game, right? To see clearly so you can think clearly.
So if you remember just one thing, let it be this. A defogger doesn't create clarity, it reveals it.
So the question for you is, what's the first bit of fog you're going to clear?